Second try at this. It's on. Oh, that was a fail.
Well, go get it.
Hell no. There, ooh, that was right on top. You see the smoke just pouring off of it. Hopefully this one pops. It's about to go any second. I swear if that's all. You gotta be kidding me.
Get a stick and go push it.
Whoa! Hello!
You better get that other son of a bitch out of there.
That was cool.